Garlic isn't just food, it's nature's secret weapon. But here's the shocking truth. Most people eat it in a way that completely kills its benefits. By the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock garlic's full, explosive power, safely and correctly, transforming this simple ingredient into a health-boosting powerhouse. For thousands of years, garlic has been revered in traditional medicine not just as a spice, but as a potent remedy. Ancient Egyptians, known for their monumental feats, gave it to the workers building the pyramids to enhance their strength and stamina. Greek athletes, the original Olympians, ate it before competitions, believing it gave them a competitive edge. And in many cultures, garlic was seen as a powerful amulet, providing protection against illness and even warding off evil spirits. It was the original shield against the unseen. Fast forward to today, and modern science is overwhelmingly confirming what ancient traditions always suspected. The lore wasn't just folklore, it was early science. Tucked inside this humble, unassuming clove are compounds so powerful they can fight microbes, supercharge your immunity, and even protect your heart. The key to this power has a name, Allicin. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. Whole, intact garlic contains a substance called allicin, which is completely inactive. It's like a secret agent waiting for the signal to act. So, how do you get that signal? When you crush, chop, or chew garlic, you break down its cellular walls. This releases an enzyme called allicin, which is the trigger. Allicin instantly gets to work, turning the dormant allicin into the mighty, biologically active allicin. That asterisk is the compound responsible for the majority of garlic's legendary antibacterial and health-giving effects. But allicin is incredibly fragile. It's a fleeting powerhouse. Heat is its kryptonite. It destroys it almost instantly. But while it's active, it can stop harmful microbes dead in their tracks. One single clove of garlic can pack more antibacterial punch than many lab-made chemicals tested against pathogens. That's exactly why garlic is often called a natural antibiotic. Now, here's an important note, and I want to be crystal clear on this. Garlic is a powerful support, not a cure. It should never, ever be used as a replacement for prescription antibiotics if your doctor has recommended them. Think of it as your body's support crew, not the main event in a serious infection. So what does this miracle compound, allicin, actually do? How does it work its magic on a microscopic level? First, it directly interferes with critical bacterial enzymes, effectively shutting down their life support systems. Second, it works to weaken bacterial cell walls, making them vulnerable and unable to defend themselves. And third, it makes it incredibly difficult for harmful microbes to grow, multiply, and survive in your body. That is some seriously powerful chemistry, all happening from a simple, everyday kitchen ingredient. But garlic's incredible benefits go way beyond just fighting bacteria. Here's where it gets even more exciting. Let's break down the other superpowers of garlic, one by one. Number 1. Gut health. Your gut is your second brain, and garlic helps keep it brilliant. Garlic acts as a mild prebiotic, selectively feeding the good bacteria in your gut microbiome. A balanced, thriving gut means better digestion, a stronger immune system, and can even lead to an improved mood. Number 2. Immune support. Garlic is like a master personal trainer for your immune system. It stimulates key immune cells, like macrophages and lymphocytes, which are your body's first responders to infections. It strengthens your natural defenses without overstimulating inflammation, which can be just as harmful. Think of it as a gentle, wise coach for your immune army. Number 3. Heart health. This is a big one. Multiple studies have shown that regular, consistent garlic intake can help lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind. These are small but incredibly meaningful changes that compound over time, supporting your long-term cardiovascular health. But remember, it's a powerful ally, not a replacement for medical treatment or a healthy lifestyle. Number 4. Antioxidant power. Our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals and stable molecules that cause oxidative stress. This stress contributes to fatigue, chronic inflammation, and the aging process itself. Garlic is packed with antioxidants that help neutralize these free radicals. In other words, garlic helps your cells stay younger for longer. Number 5. Liver detox. Your liver is your body's primary filtration system. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support the crucial phase to liver detoxification enzymes. This helps your body process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. It's like giving your liver a little extra backup, helping it do its vital job. Number 6. Blood sugar balance. Emerging research is incredibly promising here. Some studies suggest that garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity. For your body, that means more stable and balanced blood sugar levels over time, which is critical for sustained energy and overall metabolic health. So, after all that, how do you actually use garlic correctly to unlock these benefits? Here's where most people go wrong, and it's the most important part of this video. Preparation matters more than anything. If you've been tossing whole cloves into your soup or chopping garlic and throwing it straight into a hot pan, listen closely. You just destroyed its power. To do it right, always crush or chop your garlic first. This is the non-negotiable step that starts the chemical reaction. Then, you must let it rest on your cutting board for about 10 minutes before you do anything else with it. This waiting period is crucial. It allows the allicin enzyme the time it needs to convert allicin into the maximum amount of allicin before heat enters the picture. For the absolute most potent effect, raw garlic is king. Adding minced raw garlic to a salad dressing or a finished sauce is the best way to get its full, unadulterated benefits. If you must cook it, add it at the very end of the cooking process. This minimizes its exposure to heat and helps preserve more of its beneficial activity. And remember, small, consistent amounts are far better than overwhelming your system with giant doses once in a while. A clove or two a day is a great goal. Now, let's talk about the part everyone jokes about, the infamous garlic breath. Yes, it's real. The same sulfur compounds that give garlic its power also give it its lingering aroma. But here's a simple hack that works wonders. After your meal, chew on a fresh apple, some parsley, or a few mint leaves. These contain compounds that can help neutralize the odor almost instantly. That way, you get all the incredible benefits without any of the social side effects. So let's bring it all together. Here's the big picture. Garlic provides powerful support for your immunity, your heart health, your metabolism, and your cellular protection. It's one of the most potent, effective, and well-studied medicinal plants you can easily add to your daily routine. And the best part? It's cheap. It's accessible everywhere, and it's incredibly easy to use once you know the secret. So the next time you're in the kitchen and you pick up a clove of garlic, remember the rules. Crush it, let it rest. Use it raw or add it late to your cooking, and enjoy the full, powerful spectrum of garlic's natural, health-giving magic. Garlic is so much more than flavor, it's health, it's energy, and it's protection. All from one simple, perfect clove. If this video helped you understand the true power of garlic, share it with someone you know who loves it, but might be using it all wrong. And for more science-backed natural health tips to empower your wellness journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button for PharmaconHealth. Comment below and tell us how you use garlic daily, raw or cooked. We want to hear from you. Your health is your greatest power.